Imagine navigating your files and folders with just one click. Yes, you heard that right. No more double-clicking and wasting precious time. This simple but powerful feature can completely change the way you use your computer. With one-click access, your documents, images, and applications are just a single tap away. Simply hover over the item you want, click once, and it's open, just like that. Here's how to set it up. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows E or clicking the File Explorer icon. At the top, click the three-dot menu in the toolbar and choose Options. In the Folder Options window that appears, look for the section labeled Click Items as follows. Select Single Click to open an item, point to Select. You can also choose how you want your icons underlined. You can either underline titles only when you hover over them or have them underlined all the time, just like web links. Once you've made your choice, click OK to save your settings. From now on, simply hovering over a file or folder will select it, and clicking it once will open it instantly. You'll notice the icon titles get underlined when you hover, and your cursor changes to a pointer, just like when you're browsing the web. Let's test it. I'll hover over a folder, click once, and it opens immediately. Let's try the same with a zip file. And yes, it opens just as fast. So, are you ready to boost your workflow? Say goodbye to the old habit of double-clicking and embrace the simplicity and speed of one-click file and folder access today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more quick and powerful tips to make your digital life easier.